Hazy and humid on Friday with more storm chances. Good Thursday night, East Tennessee. David Aldridge, Captain Accurate here from the Captain Accurate Weather Command Center. Well, you can see we had two little yellow boxes, those polygons, two severe thunderstorm warnings this evening. One that affected western sections of Knox County, Anderson County, and one that affected areas in far eastern sections of Hamlin, Hawkins, as well as maybe Greene County. But they're all expiring, so these are not taking the shape of what we saw last night, which was more of an energizer bunny situation, an outflow. It was like it only took a spark to get the fire going. Certainly a chain reaction last night. Nothing compared to that tonight, although most of what we see has faded away pretty quickly. Our high temperature today hit 89 degrees. I was expecting 90, but we hit 89, normal high 88, the record high 99 from 1930. And while we didn't hit 90 in Knoxville, we hit 90 in Oak Ridge. We hit 90 in Athens and Sevierville, 87 Newport, and 85 in Wartburg. You can see the clouds. I think of it as a partly to mostly cloudy sky. A lot of the clouds may linger where you have seen some rain in the last hour or two. Headlines: hazy and humid Friday, scattered storms possible on Friday, about a 40% chance, and then the chance of rain will continue right into the upcoming weekend. By the way, you can track it all using the updated Captain Accurate weather app with Pete Michaels Traffic, engineered by Barron Weather. You get hour-by-hour forecast, a more modern look. You get basically critical weather intelligence. That's what Barron calls it. You get all the National Weather Service alerts. Nothing is left out. You get it in real time. Plus you get three exclusives. The twisting storm approaching and dangerous storm approaching alerts are precursors to a tornado warning or a severe thunderstorm warning. And it comes oftentimes with a Barron Tornado Index number of 0 to 10, which comes right to your phone. You don't have to look for it. And it only is generated on your phone if it applies to you. Storms in your area, fantastic if you're not paying attention to the radar. You get alerts. Hey, there's some storms within 25 miles of you. Maybe you should look at the radar. Hey, that's a great idea. Maybe I'll look at the radar. Plus, you get lightning alerts. Plus, it's all free. And by the way, the radar, second to none, very easy to see. I love it because it also comes if you toggle it on. The storm tracks. It's not just one of those, here, I'll just point to where it is. Some absolute just point. No, then you tap on the arrow, it'll tell you when it's going to be in your town in 2 minutes, and in your town in 4 minutes, and in his town in 6 minutes. It tells you all that. It's a lovely, great, fantastic tool to have on your phone. Storm Prediction Center did not have us under the dark green area yesterday. Probably should have been. Did not have us under it today. And we had two severe thunderstorm warnings specifically. But sometimes these things are missed. With all the high humidity, is it any wonder? So I would urge you, even though we're not under it tomorrow either, they've got a circled dark green area around Harrisonburg, JMU, Washington, D.C., just south of Baltimore, and Lynchburg, Virginia. But for us, it looks like it's just non-severe. Nothing to see here. But we know over the last 2 days, there usually is something to see here because it's so humid. These storms can be locally heavy rain producers and, in some cases, may reach severe limits. So please take that into consideration. It is an outlook. It is gospel, or actually, it's guidance. It's not gospel. We did have a lot of damage reports from yesterday's storms. I got one here from Townsend. Tree was covering the roadway. We'll zoom in a little bit tighter. Also, these circles extend up into Illinois and Pennsylvania, but we're more concerned with what happened here in Knoxville proper. We had roadways covered, but several trees came down, mostly centered, it said, west and northwest of Knoxville. So we had some damage last night, but thankfully it doesn't appear to have been that widespread tonight. Now this front may meander around St. Louis. This is why another reason why these storms are hard to time, but they usually form with the heating of the day. So we've got the front. It's nowhere even near here. It's up in St. Louis by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, and by 12 noon it hasn't moved much. But we have the potential, with just a little bit of a hiccup in the atmosphere, where we can get some showers and storms with the heating of the day. So they'll go to bed when the sun sets tomorrow night, and we'll do it again on Saturday. Think of it as a lather, rinse, and then repeat, because that pattern will continue right into Sunday as well. I suspect we'll find more opportunities for rain showers going into next week. So for tonight, it's sticky, down to 70, partly to mostly cloudy, some patches of fog, especially where you might have had some rain in the last hour or two. Evening storms go to bed, light and variable winds. Tonight, down to 69, Crossville. You can see some little foggy icons in places like Jonesville. Middlesboro, it'll follow it, but essentially could find it anywhere, Sevierville. But tomorrow morning, patches of fog goes to haze. We get some hazy sunny clouds, highs around 89, much like we had today. About 89 for Athens, Maryville, Alcoa, 88 Newport. Expecting a high in Tellico Plains to reach about 91 degrees and 84 for Crossville. Here's your Captain Accurate Weather Authority forecast for Knoxville in East Tennessee. If you like it today, you'll love it tomorrow and Saturday. Upper 80s on Sunday. Got a 40 or 60% chance of rain, at least right now. Looks like we have a possible cool day, in quotation marks, because it's still humid, on Wednesday with a lot of clouds, soggy at times, where this front may actually come to town and then slow down. So maybe it keeps us in the 70s primarily, but that's something we'll have to wait and see a little bit closer. By the way, you can keep track of it all using the Captain Accurate Weather app. I mentioned Pete Michaels Traffic. It's free. Keep you and your family safe. Just search Captain Accurate at the App Store and Google Play. Well, my name is David Aldridge. Some people call me Captain Accurate. It's not easy being accurate, so weather doesn't surprise you. We'll see you here next time. Take care.